Hello and welcome to Jess Hobby Hangout. Today we've got an amazing opportunity to do a Hobbii unboxing. So this is all Hobbii yarn and I literally ordered it Monday. Today is Saturday and it turned up this morning. So that's amazing. It's gone from Denmark to the UK and yeah, that's a pretty amazing turnaround I'd say. So I'm really excited. What we're going to do is I'll show you what's in them and a plan. This is the lucky bag, so there's no plan for anything in here. So in this bag, you get to choose what we do. This bag is all projects that have been laid out for like Christmas presents or commission, that sort of thing. I only do commissions for like blankets, hats, that sort of thing. So if you want one, just drop a message in the comments and I'll tell you where to go. So I think we need to move on to the next screen and get started because I'm really excited. I'm super excited. Right, here we go. So lighting's not brilliant, but it's as good as I can get it. So let's start with this one, the one that I know what's in it. I'm gonna be naughty and use my snipping scissors just to open it. I didn't plan ahead far enough to forget this. To get scissors, like proper scissors handy. But I've never used Hobbii yarn before, so this is going to be exciting. So, oh, these colours are brilliant. I'll post individual pictures on my Instagram where I can get better lighting, but these look so good. I did have a ring light, but unfortunately the ring light's not very good. And these look exactly like the thickness I wanted. So that's really good. They're really nice pastel-y colours. Two skeins have just fallen out. So one of my commission, because she's commissioned me for 2 blankets, is to use this yarn. It's not pastel at all. It's quite a nice vibrant cotton candy. What is it called actually? Does it have the name on it? The colour is number 45 and the type is Honey Bunny. And we've got 3 of those because I wasn't sure how much I would need for that. Oh, this one's a lot thicker. I was not expecting that. And it's not quite the right colour. I might have to go to Hobbycraft because this is the one that this is the colour I was expecting and it's not quite the same. It's very close though. But I'll still make a blanket out of it, and if she doesn't like that one, I'll put it on my Etsy for anyone that wants it. But the thickness is completely different. See how different that thickness is? So, but that is intriguing though. I'll see what I can make out of that. See if it works still for what she was asking for. So, we'll see how far that goes. And then we've got 2 more in this one. So this is the Honey Bunny Big, and this is colour 50. Are these all the same lot numbers? 554. Where's the lot number? 554. Yes! I know there are some companies that do not make sure they send you the same lot number out, and it's really annoying. So, that's the commission stuff. I'm going to put that there because I'm going to do a video on those. because it's a pattern I've kind of made up of my own. So we're going to see how it goes. And then we've got 2 more cakes down here. Oh, this is super thin. But it looks intriguing. This might not work for what I had planned. Because these are for amigurumi, so they might not work, or they might work, but it might just be very difficult. These are their Black Friday cotton cakes, and this one is colour 6, and this one is colour 13, but they're both extraordinary colours. I tilt them into the light a bit more. I will put some pictures of these up, all of the colours that I've got, on Instagram, where you can really take a look. I'll do it all in one post and you just flick through to the pictures. But these are all amazing. Oh, what's this? What's at the bottom here? Oh, it's a little Hobbii gummy treat thing. How cute. Right, let's go. The lucky bag. This is what you guys can tell me what to do with. Alright. Oh, wow. There's so much. So this is the lucky bag, £20, and you get 20 yarn skeins. So eight, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 yarn skeins of yarn, 50 grams. Let's go on Hobbii and see how much rainbow so there. So no, so that's, how much is that? 8. So that one alone is £2.25. Okay. So let's go to cotton. Let's do Cotton Kings next because we've got a lot of Cotton Kings. So their 8/8s are £1.35. So £1.35 for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. And then it's £2.65. So already we've saved like 50%. Probably more than that. Let's look at Cotton Friends. This one is £1.45. That's a sale price as well. So normally these are all normally £2 to £2.50 each. And we got them for £1 each. I don't think that's bad. I think that's quite cool. Right, so we're going to stop it there. I will take better pictures. Let me see if putting, because when I tried to do an overhead light, my camera did not like it. So Yeah, it's very hard to get a good light in this at the moment because it is raining. It is very overcast and horrible. But like I said, I will put loads of pictures on Facebook and Instagram, and so that you can see them all there. But this one is what I'm most intrigued about because I was not expecting. This is my fault. I should have looked more into it. It's a lot thicker than I was expecting, but I might still be able to get away with it. It'll just be done with a bigger hook. And I was going to use a 10mm hook anyway because she liked the loose look. It's just whether or not I can do it all with just this. I should have checked how many yardage it is. So this one, the smaller one, thinner one, yardage is 120 meters per 100 grams. This one is 120 meters for 300 grams. So we're going to have to see how far it goes. But, like, it's pretty cool. And you can wash them at 40. You just can't tumble dry them. I'm going to do some maths with this and see how far I can get this to go. But yeah, I will catch you in the next one where we will be making these, I think. We'll make the blankets in the next one. But yeah, have a good day and I'll catch you next time. Bye.